While handling a business process, it's very essential to sell and buy products in different quantities and unit of measures that are convenient for consumers. In Odoo 15, one can easily configure the unit of measures. For that, just go to sales module and go to configuration settings, where you have to enable the option unit of measure to sell and purchase products in different unit of measure. So after enabling this, just save the settings. And you can see a new menu under configuration, that is unit of measure categories. So when you click on that, you can view all the available unit of measure categories. And for each category, you can see some unit of measures are defined. Like for unit, you can see there is a unit of measure units, dozens. And for working time, you can view there are unit of measures hours, days. And you can see a blue color. So this blue colored unit of measure is actually the reference unit of measure. Like inside the unit, you can see that units is the reference unit of measure of this category for this category. So it is highlighted in blue color. So for each category, you can view unit of reference unit of measure from here itself. For time, you can see the reference unit of measure is months. So like this way, you can create new categories and add unit of measures. So let me edit this unit of measure category unit and add a new unit of measure. I'm adding a unit of measure bunch. So here for dozen, you can see dozen is bigger than the reference unit of measure. And here the ratio you can find it is 12. So 12 times it is bigger than units. And same way here we can choose the type for our bunch. So I'm setting it as bigger than the reference unit of measure. And here you can see the ratio. So I'm setting it is 8 times bigger than the units. And you can also add a rounding precision. So you can round the value. Let me save this. You can see that bunch is added. Now let me open a product. Here I have a book, order book, and I have set it as can be sold, can be purchased. So this order book is a storable product, and I have set sales price and cost for this book. And inside this form, you can also see two fields, unit of measure and purchase unit of measure. This unit of measure is a default unit of measure for all stock operations, and purchase unit of measure is a default unit of measure used for purchase orders. So you can choose one and make sure that the purchase unit of measure and unit of measure belong to same category, because then only the conversion can be done. So I'm setting unit of measure as units and default purchase unit of measure as bunch. If you have any doubt, just click on this external link. There you can find the category, type, and ratio. Now let me save this. Now let's open a purchase module and purchase the product order book. So here you can change the quantity and set units of measure. So you can see bunch is set as a default one, as we have set it as a default purchase unit of measure inside the order book. As I have selected one bunch of order book, which gives 8 units, so the total amount will be 8 into 800, that gives 6,400 as unit price. Because our unit is bunch, so unit price will be 6,400. Now let's confirm this order, and when you click on this, if we can view, the demand is updated as 8, that is one bunch is converted to 8 units because we are storing the product as units, as we have set the default unit of measure as units. So we can click on validate to process the transfer. So you can see transfer is done from vendor Azure Interior to our stock. Now when you click on a product, here when you check on hand, you can see 8 units is received in stock. So that's all in this video, and thanks for watching.